Assalamualaikum. Good morning to everyone. Online education with COVID 19. With COVID 19 numbers still in our country and in person learning delayed, distance learning is the new back to school reality. As a parent, you probably have a lot of questions about how to make sure kids stay engaged and learning this school year. Distance learning may be especially complicated for families with parents who need to work outside the home. It will also be more complicated for educators. One of the keys for a successful distance learning experience is making sure teachers increase family engagement with clear communication by making sure parents are aware of expectations need. Parents should take advantage of any office hours their child teacher has, attend virtual parent teacher conferences, and stay up to date with emails or text. Staying organized, keeping routine, and setting norms or expectations for remote learning is going to be vital. These words are said by Sailor. Teachers who can be creative and stay current on the best education technology tools will increase student engagement. Focusing on what really needs to get done, doing a really good job at it, finding ways to make learning engaging by using easy and fun tech tools, and being mindful of students' social and emotional well-being are going to be what helps us get through this. Mostly, we believe kids of all ages can thrive with effective distance learning instruction, and that good teacher will adapt. I think finding a tool that is easy for teachers, students, and families to use will make all the difference in how quickly, but teachers are lifelong learners and they will find what works best for them. Okay, here there are 9 ways to keep kids motivated during online instruction. Let's watch what are they. First one, provide structure and routine. Means sticking to a schedule provides the stability kids needs to keep their eyes on the prize. Plus, it minimizes their instincts to go rogue when expectations are set. It's more likely they'll be met. Second one, establish accountability. Maybe you can't motivate your kids, but their best friends can. Have them schedule daily check-ins with friends over text or social media. Accountability helps kids realize they are not alone and gives them a tangible reason to work hard. And third one, incentivize learning. Kids may be motivated by rewards, but you want to make it feel as though they have earned their treat. If they finish one packet, get a half hour on the tablet. 2 packets, 45 minutes, etc. Screen time rewards may not be your usual motivation go to, but we are in unusual times. Next one is experiment. If a kid is struggling with reading a book, turn it into a read aloud or audiobook. If math is too boring, do the problems on a board or outside using sidewalk chalk. A change of scenery can do wonder for a kid's motivation. Break up the day. Fifth one, if you have some control over when they do the work, break things up a little. Let them have a slower paced morning and do their work after lunch. For example, but make an agreement in advance. If you take the morning off, you still have to get your schoolwork done before you can play online with your friends later today. The sixth one is Change the timing. There's nothing magical about the hours. That just when we are all used to school happening, of course, if your kids are attending live online classes, you have to accommodate those schedule. But for things like working through a packet of assignments from a teacher, there is no harm in experimenting with different times of day. Then next one, mark the occasion. Give kids something to look forward to. Plan an online family or friend celebration like a virtual class party or a Zoom dance, etc. like that. And the eighth one is let them see progress. Use a calendar or other usual aid to mark time so they can see how much they have accomplished and how much more there is to go. And last one, that is ninth one. Do a related activity. Build upon and extended what they are learning with a natural connection. If they are learning about the solar system, this is just example, let them stay up late and use an astronomy app to map the night sky. And however, learning online is different from learning in a face-to-face setting, and it is important to think about your goals, your needs, and your interest before committing yourself to something. You also need to think about the time you have available, your comfort level with using technology and the equipment that is at your disposal. As we all become more familiar with computer and computer access, become increasingly common, online learning will continue to open doors and offer learning opportunities for those who are interested. Thank you.